walls on the second floor up today. And they're setting steel today here. This gray column here is the steel for the windows on the front of the house. So things are coming together. We have a delivery of some trusses for the roof. We got the 2 bedrooms framed in. There's one there and then the one on the corner. Guest bathroom's right there. And there's a closet. And then our office is here on the corner. These 2 columns support the windows in front. There's a doorway here. And then solid above that. There's windows up there high, windows over here. You can see where the second half, the 3rd story goes up, and then that'll go across there and back, and there'll be windows up there. So it's really starting to take shape, making good progress. I'm installing the wall that will house the windows for the B&B room, the media room. So everything's starting to really take shape. Back wall on that room as well. So we're getting some walls on the upper room. That'll be the windows up the southern view. We got one more, obviously one more in there. Wet bar goes right over there. And I'm standing in the elevator shaft, so there's the opening for the elevator shaft on that floor.